welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing my favorite recipe for tomato dip or tomato salsa with a secret ingredient. It elevates the taste of this recipe to a different level. My husband always used it when he used to make this dip, and I was never able to guess why is it so delicious, and that is the reason why I call it a secret ingredient. So let's get started. A great tasting tomato salsa starts with great tasting tomatoes. Use red ripe tomato on vine or other tangy tomatoes, but don't use Roma tomatoes as those are best for salads and doesn't have that much flavor. The taste of tomatoes gets enhanced when you roast it on a gas grill or barbecue. But you can also roast it in oven or cook it in microwave, which is absolutely fine. But today I'm going to roast it on gas. Now these are fully cooked and you can easily peel off the skin. These should be easy to mash using a fork. There might be some pieces which doesn't get that soft, so you can just cut it and remove it. Now add green chilies if you want to make it spicy. Add chopped coriander. And now, should I add regular salt? No, no ways. Now is the time for the secret ingredient. Add black salt instead. This is not Himalayan pink salt, it is not sea salt, it is black salt, which you can get in any Indian market or international grocery store. Black salt is our secret ingredient. This really enhances the flavor of tomatoes in this recipe, and you have to try it. At this point, this salsa is extremely delicious and you don't need to add anything else. But if you want, you can go on adding onions or garlic or ginger or whatever you like. So next time you make the tomato dip or tomato salsa, don't forget about this secret ingredient. If you like this video, do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.